Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Made Easy. In this video, I am going to do a first impressions, review and demo on the Everyuth tan removal kit. I bought this kit on the purple.com app for Rs 559. This kit is chocolate and cherry range. It contains a scrub, tan removal face pack, a serum, a sunscreen and a night cream. Let's move on to the first impression. The outer packaging looks luxurious and nice. It has a bronze metallic color to it. It has adequate instruction how to use the product step by step. The kit is originally priced at Rs 699. In the purple.com app, it was at Rs 559. The first thing that is placed inside the box is this chocolate and cherry night cream. The outer packaging has the same color coordination, bronze metallic. The sides of the packaging has details about the night cream that it removes tan, lightens dark spots and nourishes the skin during night. Direction of use is also given. The ingredient list is quite impressive. It has all natural ingredients but with some parabens in them. The other side of the packaging contains the steps to use the entire kit. The inside packaging is a glass bottle. It is quite heavy, which makes it difficult for traveling. The night cream is individually priced at Rs 149, which is quite affordable. The second product is the tan removal scrub. It also has the same outer packaging and same details. The inner packaging is also similar, looks luxurious with this metallic cap. It is individually priced at Rs 115. The next one is this face pack. It is a squeezy tube packaging, convenient for traveling. It says it detoxifies skin and helps to remove tan. It also cautions that while the face pack purifies your skin, it may cause a brief tingling sensation. The scrub and the face pack mentions to use the product 2 to 3 times a week. The face pack is individually priced at Rs 99 for 50 gram. The next product is this sunscreen. It is a sunblock lotion with UVA and UVB protection with SPF 30. It has PA++++. The 4+ means that it provides extremely high sun protection. The packaging also says that it is a non-sticky sunblock lotion which is very good for oily skin. The ingredients are natural and also has parabens in them. It is priced at Rs 175 for 50 gram. The final one is this tan removal serum for face. I was so excited to try this one because I've never come across a serum that removes tan. It has instruction and ingredients on them. The inner packaging is a glass bottle one with a pump on it, which is easy to dispense the product without any mess. It is priced at Rs 299 for 30 ml. So with this I finished my first impression. Let's move on to the demo. I have already washed my face and it is slightly damp. I'm gonna scoop out the scrub. This is what it looks. It has very tiny beads in them. I'm just layering it onto my face. It spreads like a butter. Very smooth and soft. I'm massaging with my fingertips in small circular motions, concentrating on my nose and chin, which has the most blackhead and whiteheads. It has a slightly tingling sensation which lasts for 2 to 3 minutes. The direction for use mentioned to massage the product for 4 to 5 minutes before washing it off. After 5 minutes, I wash my face. My skin feels refreshed, clean and clear. The next step is the face pack. I am taking the product onto my fingertips, applying a thick layer. Yes, it does what the caution said. It does tingles my face and tingling sensation is there for 3 to 4 minutes. This is my face after 15 minutes. The face pack is completely dry. It's time to wash it off. The next step is the serum. Just pumping the product out, dotting into my face and spreading it. Tapping it so that the product will be easily absorbed into the skin. It is lightweight and non-greasy, suitable for all skin types. The night cream looks like this. It has to be applied during night to nourish and make the skin flawless. It is lightweight and non-greasy. Coming to the review, yes, the scrub and face pack did remove a little bit of tan from my face in the first usage. Everyuth Natural says to use the product 2 to 3 times a week, but I won't recommend to use it that often only because of the paraben. If you are someone who has no issues in using paraben, then you can go ahead and use it as per recommendation. I would suggest to use it once in a while, like after holiday when you are really tanned. So that's it guys. If you want to purchase the kit, I will leave the link in the description box. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.